What is the recipe? Two
lotus
glasses of water.
water
Yeah.
and chagoja, tejapata,
Bay leaves.
Bay leaves. How many bay leaves?
Gulioda bay leaves.
two.
Two
Two.
bay leaves. Small. So how do you say this?
So a pinch
of,
ajwain, which I will find is
ajwain.
called carom seeds. Okay.
And the desab,
turmeric. A pinch of turmeric. G is cumin.
Cumin. Okay. So
cumin,
piha.
salt,
And
Pinch
pinch
of
of Himalayan
salt.
salt.
Himalayan
Pink
salt.
Himalayan salt.
Because we are in Himalaya.
alo
Yeah.
darna, imo
Add,
darna,
yeah.
chagoja darna, tejapata.
And then do you cook it?
And cook, and
cook.
just 1 glass.
You
One
reduce
glass.
it.
Just 1 glass and we drink and
No fever.
no fever, no cold.
No
Cold, cold, yeah.
Yeah. No cold.
Cold, yeah.
and no cough.
No cough.
No cough.
No.